When was the last time you felt bored? That moment when you find yourself staring at a blank screen, or your mind just drifts. So, what do? You grab your phone, scroll through TikTok like a zombie, or refresh Instagram for the 100th time to see if your favorite influencer posted something new. How many times has that happened today? 5? 10? More? Now, what if those moments of boredom, the very ones you're desperate to escape, could be the key to your success? What if you could transform them into something powerful for your career, your business, your relationship, and your life? What if boredom could become your opportunity for awesomeness? Would you take it? By definition, boredom is simply the absence of stimulation. It's when your mind is free from the constant noise of work, social media, and life's demands. You're no longer reacting to the world, your mind is free to simply be. Now, here's the twist: boredom is a rare gift. In a world where everything pulls at your attention, boredom is the only time your mind truly belongs to you. It's a blank canvas for your thoughts to wander and create, something impossible when you're constantly reacting. It's a precious moment where your creativity can soar. Boredom, my friend, is the only time you can truly be free. But here's the catch: it's only freedom if you choose to see it that way. If you choose to use it, not fill it with distractions. It's a choice. Here's the thing: if you see boredom as freedom, you realize it's also an opportunity to break free from mediocrity and to achieve more. When you're bored, your mind is a clean canvas. What you choose to fill it with matters. This is your chance to reflect on past mistakes, digest what you've learned, and brainstorm new ideas. Think about it. If you came up with just one new solution every day, in a year's time, you'd have over 300 new ideas. That's more than 300 ways to improve your career, your business, your relationships, and yes, your life. You could become a force of nature, a seasoned creator of solutions, a relentless problem solver, the architect of your own success. Here's the kicker: it's incredibly simple. All you have to do is choose. Yes, just choose. You have to see boredom for what it truly is: a moment to pause, reflect, and grow. The truth is, most people don't capitalize on boredom because they've been conditioned to avoid it. We're taught that being busy equals being productive. But real breakthroughs happen when we allow our minds to be still long enough to think, deeply, and differently. The trick isn't to fear boredom or fill it with distractions. The trick is to lean into it, to use it. Choose to use it for something greater. So, I'll ask you, will you choose to? Will you turn those precious moments of boredom into something greater? Will you embrace the stillness and let it make you awesome? Choose wisely.